Today we're going to talk about how to find a unique personal signature style that you absolutely love. I tried and tested a lot of things over the years, so what I'm sharing today is a shortcut to finding your personal style and feeling your best every single day. Plus, once you understand this, it will also help you improve your shopping habits. So it's going to be a fun, exciting video, and let's get started. The first thing we have to talk about today is the concept of outfit formulas, because this is really the foundation of everything that I'm talking about today. And if you don't know what an outfit formula is, let me just explain it. An outfit formula is a formula of an outfit. Groundbreaking! No, I know it sounds silly, it sounds obvious, but it's very useful and very helpful. So let me just take an example. What I'm wearing today. Instead of looking this outfit as a whole and saying, oh, this is an amazing outfit, I could take it a step further and break it down into small little pieces. So we could say I'm wearing sneakers, jeans, t-shirt, and a blazer. Very simple, very obvious. I know some people do that naturally as they see an outfit, but I never actually did that until I learned about this. But here I want you to take it a little bit further than just a simple basic outfit formula. I want you to do a detailed version. So you pay attention to the very important details of the outfits. Details that really determine the whole look of the outfit. So if we take my outfit again as an example, we could say sneakers, they stay the same. Jeans, we could say they're skinny jeans, and their rise, it's a mid-waist rise. So these are two important details we could add to jeans. Then we can also notice a little belt and we could add that and say, okay, she's wearing a belt. Then we can say a shirt, simple shirt, because it's covered with the blazer, so it doesn't matter if it's a short sleeve, a long sleeve. We can just add crew neck shirt or anything like that. And then at the end we can say a fitted blazer. So this is a detailed outfit formula, and it's really important to understand when it comes to developing and building on your signature personal style. So now that you know the basics, we can start with the steps to finding your signature style. So the first step that we want to do is to take data. Here we want to take, let's say, 14 days that you track your outfits by taking a picture every single morning. It doesn't have to be a fancy picture. You can just snap a photo of yourself in the mirror, anything simple, so you just get the idea of what you were wearing that day. I suggest that you do it for around 14 days. You can do it a little bit longer, but usually this is a good amount of time to really get a gauge of how you're dressing and what you like. Also, I recommend that if you have any specific notes that you want to add to a specific outfit, that you write it down maybe in your phone on a piece of paper. Maybe if you had to readjust something a couple of times a day, maybe something was uncomfortable, maybe something was super comfortable and you want to mention it. If something comes to mind to your outfit, be a little bit more aware so you can also write it down. That's what I want you to do for the 14 days. If you want to speed things up or gather even more data, then you can also do 2 outfits a day. Maybe you go to work dressed one way, and once you come home you say, okay, I'm gonna try another outfit. So you can test 2 outfits in one day, and this will give you a lot more information later on. But basically, do whatever you can. If this seems a bit overwhelming, then just do 1 week. Maybe you can even try multiple outfits in one day. Find something that works for you. Now the step 2 is to analyze everything that you gathered. All the photos, all the outfits that you have. Now we can finally analyze it. And what I want you to do here is go through your photos. Maybe you can sort them on the computer for easier view or something like that. But you want to pick your favorite outfits out. You want to say, oh, this is amazing, this is amazing, this is amazing. Here I also want you to think about the comfort and the practical level, because we don't want to pick an outfit that is uncomfortable or unpractical. Because sometimes we know we look stunning in something, we feel like a model, but it's not practical, and we don't want that. We want to both feel good and look good. So if you have outfits that check both boxes, add them to your list of favorites. Now that you have your list of favorite outfits, you can break each outfit down into an outfit formula. Like I talked about in the beginning, you should take a look at the outfit and break it down, including important details that really matter to this outfit, that really make it unique. Also focus on accessories. Maybe if you have a specific handbag that you're wearing with it, or maybe a belt or a scarf, anything like that. If you have anything that really stands out and it's really important, also don't forget to include accessories as well. But what if you don't have any outfits that you love, nothing that you wore in the past 14 days really stood out to you? Then I suggest that you go back to the step 1, but this time I want you to experiment. I want you to go out of your comfort zone, combine pieces that you never thought of combining. Look on Pinterest, on Google, on YouTube for style inspiration. Go out of your comfort zone, because Sometimes it can happen that we're kind of in a style rut, or we're wearing things out of habit, not because we feel amazing in them. So if that's the case in your situation, then really try and experiment. And here I'm not suggesting that you go out and buy new stuff. No. I'm suggesting that you shop your own closet. So by repeating the step 1 with the experimentation flavor to it, I'm sure you're gonna find some favorite outfits by the end of it. So by doing the first 2 steps, you should have a list of your favorite outfit formulas in front of you. And once you have that, now it's time for the 3rd step, and here we have to decide how bold do we want to be with our style. Do you really want to have a signature, unique, personal style that you're known for? Or do you want something in the middle? Maybe you just want a little bit of a signature style, something that will help you dress better, but you don't really want to commit to something. I want you to decide here what you want to do. Whatever you decide, it's not final, it's not permanent, you can always change your mind, but just for now, decide what feels the best for you. So if you decided that you really want to be like a model and have a signature look and, be known for something specific, then I want you to pick 1 or maximum 2 outfit formulas from your list. These are now your go-to outfits for every single day. This is how signature style works. You basically have an outfit formula that you wear on repeat and repeat every single day. So if that's something that you want to do, 1 to 2 outfit formulas is the best way to achieve that. Now, if this seems a bit restrictive and a bit, weird to kind of just have 1 or 2 outfit formulas, don't worry, you can also do another option, which is what I do, and it's to rotate between 3 to 5 favorite outfit formulas. This will help you simplify your style, improve your shopping, but also will give you that variety without feeling restricted or deprived. And like I said in the beginning, understanding outfit formulas, they simplify how you see fashion and outfits so much, because instead of seeing endless possibilities in your closet, you have favorite outfit formulas in your head and you can go directly to them. You know you're gonna feel great in them because you tested it out. You have many different variations of different pieces, so you're never getting bored. So it's really a solution to finding your personal style that you feel best in. Also, if you work somewhere with a dress code, or even if you're not and you just have a specific look when you go to work, you can also pick maybe 1 or 2 outfit formulas that are specific to your work. So you're gonna simplify your mornings a lot. And before we move on to the next step, I really want to talk about seasons, because they're really important when it comes to outfit formulas. Especially, again, I'm repeating this all the time, but I live somewhere with 4 different seasons. So what I'm wearing in summer, I'm not wearing in winter. So I did this process for every single season. So whenever the weather changes, it's worth doing something like this. I know it may sound like a lot of work, but once you do this, once you have all the data, you only need to do this once for each season. And then you can just tweak it here and there. So that's important that I mention. And now we can move on. So with all 3 steps, you should have a list of favorite outfit formulas, and you also decided of how many different outfit formulas you want to rotate between. Once you have all the data, then you can go to step 4, which is to build on your style and play around with your outfits. This is the most exciting step. And here I have an example again with my outfit today. This is one of my favorite outfit formulas for transitional seasons, so spring and fall. I absolutely love it. For summer, I actually just tweak it a little bit and I add high-waisted shorts. You can see this is how I usually wear it in the summer. I just tweak it a little bit because I love it so much, and when it's warm I just take the blazer off. But let's take that out of the way. What I have here are all the different items that I have that fit into these outfit formulas. All of my jeans are mid-rise and they're skinny. This is the t-shirt and blazers, they are all fitted because that's the look that I love. So by having all of these different pieces, I get so many different combinations. I don't know out of my head. I will calculate how many different outfit combinations I get out of this and I will put it on the screen. But this really gives me a lot of material to work with. I can create a lot of outfits while still staying true to my signature style, or a style that I absolutely love. And in your situation, when you're gonna have outfit formulas, then I suggest that you check in your closet how many pieces do you have for that specific outfit formula. And then you can use that as a guide. You can add a piece if that's maybe needed. Always think about the color palette. As you can see here, everything that I have can match with each other, so nothing is wasted. Sometimes it can happen that you have a piece that doesn't really go with everything, and that's okay, but most of your items should mix and match. So once you get to that specific number of combinations that you're happy with for a specific outfit formula, then you can move on to the next one. Now here, I really want to mention that use this as a guide. This is not a style prison. This is not something that you always have to wear. Sometimes I just pick something that it's not in my outfit formulas. I want to break the pattern. That's okay. This is just something that really help you find your style, build on it. And with shopping, like I said, how it can improve your shopping is by knowing which pieces to look for. Because now you have the outfit formula, you can check your closet and you know exactly what to add. So you're not gonna waste your money, you're not gonna waste your time, and yeah, you're gonna enjoy your closet a lot more. I really hope you're excited to find your signature style that you absolutely love. Yes, this video is a guide, but you have to put in the work in order for this to work. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below and give this a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.